explaining equivalent ratios and how to use equivalent ratios to solve proportions, or how to use equivalent ratios like you see in the first problem to solve problems. So how many tablespoons are in 3 quarts? They set the problem up for you. If 3 quarts are equal to 192 tablespoons, how many tablespoons would be in 5 quarts? So to solve this, we want to first figure out 3 times what is 5. So 3 times what is 5? We can do 5 divided by 3, and that would be what we are multiplying 3 by, so that we get 5. We can see that the 3's cancel out, and I'm left with 1 times 5 over 1 times 1, and 5 over 1 is 5. Or we could have multiplied straight across to get 15 over 3, which is still 5. So I see that I'm multiplying by 3/5 to get from 3 to 5, which means whatever I multiply by on the top, I have to multiply by that on the bottom. So 192 times 3/5 is how I would come up with the answer to this question. And you solved that correctly on your quiz, so I wanted to just review that because I would set up a similar problem for the question that you asked about, which is 5 pounds is 2.268 times as heavy as 1 kilogram. So that would be 5 pounds is 2.268 times as heavy as 1 kilogram. And then they said, how many times, times is on the bottom, so I'm going to put my question mark there. How many times as heavy is 2 pounds? So I'm going to put my 2 pounds on the top. And I'm going to solve in a very similar method that we did with the other problem. So 5 times what is 2? We can do that by saying 2 divided by 5. We can see that 5 times 2/5 is equal to, we can do 10 over 5, which is 2. Again, in this problem, the 5's cancel out, leaving me with 2 over 1, which is 2. So I've identified that I'm multiplying the top by 2/5 to get from 5 to 2. Whatever I multiply the top by, I need to multiply the bottom by. So if I take 2.268 and I multiply it by 2/5, I will get the unknown amount that I'm looking for. Hope that helps. Thank you.